Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the router model and the network name. Knowing the default admin and Wi-Fi password saves time. Plug the Nokia router into power and wait 2 to 3 minutes until the LED indicates it's ready. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the router via Ethernet or the temporary open SSID. Make sure to disable VPNs and Wi-Fi extenders during setup, so the device communicates directly with the router for initial configuration. You now log into the router using the browser address 192.168.1.1 or the Nokia Setup app. Enter the admin credentials shown on the device or sticker. Change the admin password immediately for security, and then set a distinct SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so neighbors can't join. Once done, pick channels and decide whether to enable both 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands. Choose 5 GHz for bandwidth and 2, 4. Finish by saving your settings and restarting the Nokia router so changes apply. Then reconnect each device using the new SSID and password. If the interface prompts, update firmware and reboot again to ensure stability and security fixes. If you still lack internet, check the WAN/DSL cable connection and your ISP status. Consult the router logs in the admin page for errors. A single helpful troubleshooting tip. Perform a soft reset first and only factory reset if persistent configuration issues remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.